Imagine a world where machines do not just follow instructions, but actually spark new ideas. This is not science fiction. It is the present reality shaped by artificial intelligence breakthroughs. AI is no longer just a tool. It has become a collaborator in the creative process. From designing drugs to composing music, AI is now rewriting the rules of innovation. It deciphers patterns so complex that even top scientists struggle to comprehend them. Whether in the lab, studio, or startup, AI is becoming the invisible co-pilot of invention. It takes in data, learns from it, and generates something entirely new and groundbreaking. This ability to transform raw information into creation is what defines the AI revolution. Every field touched by AI now moves faster, smarter, and more unpredictably than before. We are witnessing machines not only solving problems, but also discovering ones we never imagined. What used to take teams of experts years, AI can now do in a matter of days. It is pushing boundaries in science, reshaping industries, and birthing ideas out of thin code. In AI's world, logic meets creativity, and algorithms are becoming agents of transformation. Entrepreneurs, scientists, and artists alike are now harnessing this power for game-changing results. The question is no longer if AI will change the world, it is how fast and how deeply. From product design to medical diagnostics, from urban planning to filmmaking, nothing remains untouched. The cycle of trial and error is being replaced with models that predict, refine, and create, and every line of code written today may unlock discoveries that reshape tomorrow's reality. This is the moment AI stopped being just a machine and started becoming the mind behind innovation. So let us dive into how AI is revolutionizing discovery from the code up to creation. 1. AI in scientific discovery. In scientific labs around the world, AI is acting like a hyper-intelligent research assistant. It sifts through thousands of scientific papers in seconds to identify potential new breakthroughs. By modeling chemical interactions, it helps researchers predict molecular behavior without needing actual experiments. This has accelerated drug development timelines from years down to just a few months. AI tools like DeepMind's AlphaFold cracked protein folding, a grand challenge baffling science for decades. Such insights now guide vaccine research, treatment strategies, and even personalized medicine solutions. The algorithms adapt to new data rapidly, adjusting hypotheses faster than humanly possible. From physics to genetics, AI uncovers hidden connections and unseen patterns in mountains of data. This means more efficient research, fewer failed trials, and more focus on innovation that matters. In many ways, AI has become the lab partner who never sleeps or forgets details. It enhances precision and helps scientists ask better questions and get clearer answers faster. 2. Reimagining product design. Gone are the days of endless prototype testing and redesign. AI does it faster and smarter. With generative design tools, engineers now input goals, and AI suggests the most efficient structures. Whether it is an airplane wing or a sneaker sole, AI finds optimal solutions instantly. It simulates stress tests, material limitations, and even aesthetics before a physical model is created. This leads to stronger, lighter, and more sustainable products crafted by intelligent trial and error cycles. Designers no longer just build, they collaborate with code to explore creative possibilities at scale. Companies like Adidas and Airbus now use AI to rethink how products are shaped and produced. It even understands ergonomics, aerodynamics, and energy efficiency from massive training datasets. Instead of starting from scratch, innovators leap ahead with AI suggestions already 80% complete. What once took years of iteration now takes weeks, transforming timelines across all manufacturing sectors. AI transforms vision into models, accelerating the entire path from concept to finished product. 3. Transforming the arts and creativity. AI is no longer confined to logic. It now enters the world of abstract thought and emotion. It composes symphonies, paints portraits, and writes poetry that stir genuine human reactions. Tools like DALL*E and GPT models have given rise to a new kind of digital artist. They take inspiration from centuries of culture to generate art that feels original and expressive. For creators, AI becomes a collaborator, offering inspiration, variation, and even entire story arcs. Filmmakers use AI to edit, storyboard, and simulate scenes before a single frame is shot. Authors generate outlines, dialogue, or even whole chapters based on prompts and character inputs. AI democratizes creativity, enabling those without technical skills to bring ideas to vivid life. It opens up avenues of expression that were once impossible due to time or talent gaps. Creativity, once limited by human constraints, now expands through machine imagination and assistance. The canvas of the future is part brushstroke, part algorithm, each enhancing the other's beauty. 4. Accelerating medical diagnosis. AI in medicine is revolutionizing how we detect and treat disease before symptoms even appear. It analyzes scans, symptoms, and medical histories with unmatched speed and consistency. Radiologists now rely on AI to highlight tumors invisible to the human eye in X-rays. It spots rare conditions early, improving survival rates and reducing misdiagnosis drastically. In pathology, AI systems review biopsy slides more accurately than many trained experts. Real-time monitoring tools powered by AI detect cardiac issues before they become life-threatening. Wearables feed health data to AI, enabling personalized insights and wellness interventions. Doctors receive treatment suggestions based on similar global cases, enhancing decision-making with evidence. AI shortens the diagnosis journey, leading to faster care and fewer unnecessary procedures. It frees up medical professionals to focus on empathy, surgery, and patient care, not just data. Healthcare now moves from reactive to predictive, thanks to AI's analytical superpowers in diagnostics. 5. AI in climate and environmental science. Solving climate change demands speed, and AI delivers by modeling complex environmental systems fast. It predicts deforestation, wildfire risks, and ocean pollution zones with stunning accuracy and detail. Climate models that once took supercomputers weeks now run in hours with AI optimization. It helps researchers monitor endangered species by analyzing sound, images, and satellite feeds automatically. Farmers use AI to optimize crop yields while minimizing water and pesticide use. AI models suggest renewable energy placement by analyzing sun, wind, and grid data. Disaster response teams use AI for flood forecasting and evacuation planning ahead of storms. Carbon capture and climate tech startups rely on AI to speed up experimental feedback loops. Policymakers use AI-generated data to craft smarter regulations and interventions. The planet's survival may depend on how fast we can use AI to protect it. From data to action, AI translates urgency into real-time environmental problem-solving. What once took decades to imagine is now possible with a few lines of AI code. Machines are helping us invent, discover, and dream at a speed never seen before. The future is not machine-dominated. It is machine-augmented, driven by our vision and AI's capability. AI is the microscope and telescope of modern innovation, showing us what was once invisible. From medical breakthroughs to space travel, from paintings to predictions, it all starts with code. And when that code learns, adapts, and creates, it becomes more than logic. It becomes intelligence. This revolution belongs not to scientists alone, but to anyone ready to create with AI. So if you are building, dreaming, or solving, now is the time to collaborate with machines. We are only at the beginning of what this partnership can do for the world. Subscribe now to explore the future of intelligence, creation, and discovery, one line of code at a time.